This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay guys, now let's take a look at the gold market. Well, in general, our solution on the gold market is very simple. So we need to wait when the bounce will happen. But when it will happen, it's not very simple question, because as you can see, if you take a look at this big A, B, C top pattern, you can see that market already has passed through the 618 support. It's not, there was no bounce out from this area. And it means that in fact market should continue right to the 100% extension target. At the same time, we have this minor ABC top that market just has reached. And what is more significant, so if you will take a look at the weekly chart, you will get another big ABCD pattern that has the minor 618 extension target around 1235, 1240 area. So I suspect that market hardly will show any reasonable bounce prior to the hitting of this area. And I think that we should watch for this area. Well, we will discuss this in detail in our weekly research, where we will usually take a look at the bigger picture on the monthly chart, on the weekly time frame chart. But since it has relation to the current update, I think that market could show some downward continuation first and find support somewhere around this minor but weekly target around 1235 area. If you take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, we also has the hint on this possible downward continuation, because that's our big butterfly pattern. Market has hit 127, has shown minor retracement. Now it's continuing move lower, but hasn't quite reached the 1618. That stands around 1247. So the approximately $10 difference is not very big distance for a weekly chart. And the current situation on the 4-hour time frame chart also points on the possible downward deeper action. So right now, guys, today's Friday, and I don't think that we should take any position right now in the gold market. If you would like to take the risk and trying to catch the market right near some support area, you could try to take the short position, but that's not my choice. So usually I prefer to get the hitting of the support first, get the retracement, and take the position on the retracement. The taking short position near the cluster of the support, where you have different patrons that have the target around this area. So we have the butterfly, we have this ABCD pattern here. Market also stands very close to the oversold. So I do not see any reason why we need to hurry with this possible short entry, because if market will start to show some bounce up, this retracement could be significant, and you could get even take the position in the better price that market stands right now. So think about it. Meantime, I think that before market will hit this area, hardly gold will show any significant retracement. Maybe some of these minor retracements we will get in the nearest future, but we need to wait for hitting this 1235 area before any bounce, any meaningful bounce will happen. When it will happen, that will be our chance for taking the short position, because I suspect that market stands on the road to the 1170s lows on the monthly chart, because we have the bearish grabber on the monthly chart, and market now is accelerating to the downside, and these moments point on the possible reaching of at least taking out of the 1170s. In general, if you take a look at the weekly chart, market could reach as far as 1140. That's the medium-term target on the gold market right now.